In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use properties and templates in Logseq. We'll walk through creating a dedicated templates page, adding clear properties, and marking a block so you can reuse it effortlessly. First, open Logseq. From the sidebar, click Journals to land on today's page. Journals are a convenient place to start because you're just a keystroke away from creating links and new pages without breaking your flow. Next, create or jump to a central place to store your templates. In any journal block, type 2 square brackets, then the word templates between them, like this. Templates. Press enter to follow the link. If a templates page already exists, Logseq will take you there. If it doesn't, it will create the page for you automatically. You can also reach it by clicking all pages in the sidebar and selecting templates. Use whichever route feels quickest. On the templates page, add the content you want to reuse. This is a great moment to include properties. In Logseq, properties are simple key value pairs you place at the top of a page or block, written as key, value. For example, you might add tags, meeting, project, launch, priority, high, or due 2026-03-15. Put each property on its own line so Logseq recognizes and can query them cleanly. Properties make your notes more searchable, filterable, and consistent, which is especially helpful when you're working across many pages. Below those properties, build out the body of your template. Add headings, checkboxes, bullet points, or prompts you want to see every time. If you plan to reuse several lines together, consider nesting them under a single parent block. Keeping everything under one parent makes it easy to save and insert as a single unit later. When your content looks the way you want, choose the block that should become your template. Right-click that block to open the context menu, then select Mark as Template. Logseq will register that block as a reusable template and keep your properties intact so they carry over whenever you use it. From now on, you'll find it in your template list, ready to drop into any page. A few quick tips as you refine things. Keep property names consistent across templates so filters and queries work reliably. Use simple, predictable keys like tags, project, status, and due. For multi-value fields, separate values with commas. And if you expect to fill something in later, it's fine to leave a property's value blank as a prompt. That's it. You opened Logseq, navigated to journals, created or found a templates page with double brackets, added clear properties, and marked your content as a template.